Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll talk about rendering exceptions in Laravel, and actually there is a nice method that I learned immediately which is should render JSON when, and I face this problem most of time, but now I think I found a solution for that. Imagine here in our app I want to visit a page here /x as an example. We will find this error 404 because I browse it from browser. But if I use it as an API and I will accept application JSON here, I will get it as JSON exception. But imagine, for example, you want to render or return an exception as JSON always for a specific URL. So for example, I wanted to return JSON always, whatever, is it from API or from the web browser. We can make it easily inside our app.php under Bootstrap. Inside the with exceptions part, we can say here exceptions and should render JSON when, and it takes a closure here, and this closure takes two parameters, the request and the exception, right? Let's make it throwable th, and according to any condition we can return it as Boolean value. For example, I will say if the root is x, request is x, always return it as JSON, return true. If not, we will check the value of accept is it application JSON or any JSON header or not by saying request expects JSON. So if I back here and I will visit again from browser, I will find it now as a JSON. Even from the API with accept JSON, still get it. Even if I remove it, I still get it, right? But from the browser, if I try to visit the value a, for example, doesn't exist also, now I will find the normal error. So here's quickly how to conditionally render exceptions as JSON or not. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you on next video.